Sa budget na 3M to 6M, makakabili ka na ng sariling bahay sa Cavite. Pero, eto yung tanong, sulit ba talaga? O isa lang to sa mga subdivision na maganda lang sa ads pero mahirap tirahan in reality. Today, we're here at Sabia Parkway and i-breakdown natin kung worth it ba siya, especially kung first-time buyer ka or investor. Ang Sabia Parkway ay isang house and lot development located sa Tanza, Cavite. Target nito is mga first-time buyers at growing families na gusto ng sariling bahay without going too expensive like Metro Manila properties. Usually, ang mga units dito nasa around 2 to 3 bedrooms, may option na may parking, at enough yung space for a small to medium-sized family. So kung nagsisimula ka pa lang, pasok na pasok siya sa typical needs. Now, bakit maraming nagkaka-interest sa Sabia Parkway? Number 1, affordability. Compared sa Metro Manila, mas mababa ang entry price dito. So kung ang goal mo is magkaroon ng sariling bahay without breaking the bank, isa siya sa mga options na pwede mong tingnan. Number 2, semi-exclusive and has good amenities. May playground, pickleball park, dog park, yoga park, open spaces, at community areas for everyday bonding with your friends. Very functional siya for friends and families. Number 3, may variety ng house models. So depende sa budget mo, may choice ka kung 2 bedroom or 3 bedroom with or without parking. May flexibility ka based sa kailangan mo. Now let's talk about location. Malapit siya sa SM City Tanza, so for your daily needs, groceries, and basic shopping, covered ka na. Accessible din siya papuntang Cavitex, which connects you to Metro Manila. Nearby din yung mga developments like Maple Grove and Evo City, which means this area has strong potential for growth in the future. Habang dumadami ang developments, tumataas din ang demand at possible na tumaas din ang value ng property over time. So, hindi lang siya pang tirahan, may potential din siya as an investment. Now, sino ba talaga ang bagay dito? Kung first-time buyer ka, OFW, or pamilya na gusto magsimula, this could work for you, lalo na kung long-term mo siya tinitignan. So, final question, sulit ba? For me, sulit siya kung ang hanap mo ay affordable house in a growing area at willing kang maghintay sa development ng paligid. At the end of the day, hindi lang presyo ang basehan ng sulit, kundi kung swak siya sa lifestyle mo. If you want more honest reviews like this, subscribe to Sulit House Review, your guide to smart home choices.